Vehicle reassembling videos are going absolutely crazy on social media right now. Those type of videos get million views on different platforms. Let's break down the exact free production framework to build these automated, high retention loops in just 2 minutes using AI. First, head to the description below, grab the master template prompt and copy it from start to finish. Paste the prompt and it will generate 10 vehicle name and brand. Pick whichever you like. I will pick third option. Now it will generate motion prompt. Next, copy the prompt from ChatGPT, jump over to Google Flow. Set settings to video set, OmniFlash model and hit generate. In few minutes, it will gen high quality assembly video. Now, if you want to create cars assembly videos, just type give cars brand in same chat and it will give 10 names and video prompts. Or you can even try water vehicle. Let's watch the final result together. Every single piece snaps perfectly into place with full tactile tracking. Drop a like if this cooking workflow helped you out, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss our direct AI creation guides. See you next time.